channel, Slime Sisters.
And today we are going to be remaking the ugly slimes that we made for each other. So she made me this one and I made her this one. So they each have different like consistencies and stuff, and they're honestly both really bad, and that's the point. So we have to remake the slimes, and you guys will be the judges down below in the comment section. So tell us who you think won, and we're also gonna call our mom in here, and we're not gonna tell her who made which slime. She's just gonna judge and pick the one she thinks looks the best. So let's just get right into this video.
So here's all the stuff we have. We have glue, we have white glue and clear glue. We have some lotion and clay. We also have colored clear glue, blue, and some pink glitter. We also have these paints to make them all pretty. And we also have this shaving cream. And this is the activator bottle. And this is the other paints. Next time I'm going to be adding in some clear glue so it can be more glossy. So I'm going to open the top because I don't want to put too much. And I'm just going to pour like that much in. That should be like a good amount. And now I'm going to like mix it. Now I just added in some more lotion, so I gotta mix all of it in so it's not like this for the rest of the video. This is what we have so far, and it makes good poking. So I think I should add in some shaving cream because I have an idea and I need it to be a fluffy slime for this. So I gotta add it in, like a little more. And all done. Now I gotta add all the fluffiness in. I'm gonna add more lotion because that shaving cream made it, it activated it, so now I need more lotion. And it has a nice texture and it lightened the color, so it's easier for my idea. So now some lotion. Next I'm going to be starting on the color, but I need to mix two paints together for the color that I need. I need to add red and white together. So, but first I'm going to show you how much stretchier it got. See? It's much better than it used to be. Okay, so now I'm going to use some of the red. And now next up, but first I gotta get it all so the white doesn't turn red. Well, the color that I need. Now I'm gonna mix it, and if I need more white, I can just add more. Now I'm gonna add in the blue because it wasn't working because the ugly color my sister made. Now I need to add this paint that I was gonna use for my other idea, but I didn't really have an idea. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Yeah, that's totally a little bit. Colored the clay, so now I'm gonna add it in. Okay, so now I'm gonna make a heart out of this clay. And so I added some other clay, and I colored it the blue because my slime wasn't changing colors. So now I also added glitter inside of it, and I changed it to pink. And now I'm just gonna form a heart and put glitter on top of it. Now I'm gonna add some glitter on top. Like that, and then I also got some on the slime, but it looks nice with some on the slime. So this is my slime. Now I'm mixing it.
Okay guys, so it is my turn now to redo my slime. Don't worry about my nails, they look ugly, but here's the slime that she made for me. It breaks, it's overactivated, and the color is just no, it's just a no. So we're going to attempt to remake this slime. So I'm gonna start by adding lotion and melting it down, so then I can add more glue into it so the color could change easily. So I will come back when I've done that. Guys, so this is actually very hard to melt down. I'm really trying, but it's not going that good. So I'll be back to update you guys. So I got it kind of to a good consistency. So right now I'm going to add in some of my Elmer's white glue. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that in. And then we're going to add in some of our clear glue that we have. I just add the clear in to give it like a better, like a glossiness to it. So like that's enough. And now I'm going to just use my hands and mix it all in, and I hope that it maybe lightens the color and makes it thicker. I mean, I know for sure it's gonna make it thicker. So yeah, I'll come back when this is all mixed in together. Okay, so I'm actually going to add in a little bit more clear glue. The clear glue really did help with the thickness of it. So I'm probably gonna add about that much more. I'm not gonna add any more white slime. It's actually pretty stretchy, as you guys can see. I just want it to be a bit thicker. And next I'm going to work on the color of the slime. Okay, so next I'm gonna work on the coloring. As you guys can see, it is like 100% more stretchier, and it kind of lightened down a little bit, and that's what I was going for. So I'm thinking of putting a little bit of white paint to maybe tone down the color more so my color shows more. Oh no, the red paint spilled. You guys, look. The red paint spilled in the corner because somebody forgot to put the top on. Yeah, I have to clean that up. Okay guys, so I got that mess cleaned up, and now I got a little bit of red, but that's okay, because now I'm going to add in some white paint to make it a little more lighter, I guess. I hope this works. I'm not sure. It should work, but yeah, we're gonna mix this in and hopes that it gets lighter. Okay, so it kind of lightened the color just to like a tiny bit, but let's just see how it looks when we add in this paint. This is the Color Shift acrylic paint. This is what it looks like. This is what the color looks like actually. Let me focus in on it. That's what it's gonna look like. So we're going to pour a good amount on it. It's probably a lot, but it's okay. It might melt it down too, which will be good because I still want it to be a little more stretchy. So I will come back when I get the color to a good consistency. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna let this color sit for how it is, but it turned an okay blue. So now I'm gonna color one half this purple Color Shift acrylic paint, and we're gonna see how it looks. Okay, so I feel like these colors are too good. Enough looking colors. So right now I'm gonna add a little more clear glue on both of them, so it could be more thick, more glossy, and I just like adding clear glue because it just gives it like a better consistency. So we're gonna just mix those in. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a donut clay. Like I'm gonna, out of this clay that I have, I'm going to make a donut, and then I'm going to use this to sprinkle over it, and I'm gonna make like a little slime overcoat. So it's gonna be really cute. So I'll get back to you guys when I'm done making the donut. Okay, so this is how it turned out. I don't really like it because I feel like I should have made the dough a different color, the clay, but I do like the drizzle and everything else. I just don't like the clay. It didn't turn out how I wanted, but you know, it's okay. So we're gonna just mix it in real quick for you guys and see how it turns out. Okay guys, so this is the end of me mixing it, but we're not judging how it looks at the end of mixing, we're judging how we presented it. So make sure you guys tell us down below in the comment section who you think won.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and comment down below who won.